Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali. Everyone knows that without an SSN, you cannot get a Cash App card. But in today's video, we will share some alternative methods to get a Cash App card without an SSN that will surprise you. If you use Cash App and want to order a Cash App card, you must complete identity verification in your Cash App account. Only after that can you order a Cash App card. Without an SSN, the Cash App account cannot be fully verified, and until the account is verified, you cannot order a Cash App card. This is why getting a Cash App card without an SSN seems impossible. However, in today's video, we will share two methods you can use to get a Cash App card even without an SSN. So let's get started. To explain how to order a Cash App card without an SSN, we are taking you to this website called Kabbage Loan Guide. On this website, if you look on the right hand side, you'll find hundreds of articles related to Cash App. One of these articles is titled How to Get a Cash App Card Without SSN, Cash App Card Secret. Scrolling down in this article, it explains the importance of SSN when ordering a Cash App card. It also discusses whether entering your social security number in your Cash App account is safe or not. If you want to read this information in detail, the link to this article is provided in the description. Scrolling down further, there's a subheading titled, Can we get a Cash App card without SSN? It says, no, you typically cannot get a Cash App card without an SSN. Cash App requires your SSN for account verification. Without verifying your account, you cannot order a Cash App card. This is because Cash App needs to ensure that your identity is verified to prevent fraud and meet legal requirements. However, if you do not have an SSN, there are a few alternative methods you could try, such as using a business account or having a family member sponsor you for a minor account. Scrolling down further, the step-by-step process for both of these methods is explained. Here, it's clearly written, if you run a business, you can use your employer identification number, EIN, to create a business account on Cash App. An EIN is used for tax purposes and is different from a personal SSN. For businesses, Cash App allows the use of an EIN for verification. However, while this allows you to verify the business account, a cash card may still need your SSN for full account verification and issuance. The detailed process for how this works is explained below. You can pause the video and read the entire process. The second method is parental sponsorship. It explains, if you don't have an SSN, you can use a family member's SSN, even your child's. The process for using it is given below. All the steps for this method are explained further down. You can pause the video and read all these steps. So, by using these two methods, you can get a Cash App card even without an SSN. However, different situations may require different verification methods, so make sure to contact Cash App customer support before applying these methods. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have some more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.